Hi everyone, and welcome to Module 3 of How to Design Your Online Course. You have come very far in the past 2 weeks. You've acquired a lot of new skills and you've began to apply them in the design of your own online course. What I'm going to do now is take just a little pause, and we're going to do some review and preview to take some time to look at where we've been and where we're headed. So when we started our class, you dug into an investigation of the principles of course design. And by the end of that module, you had developed your course sandbox and gotten a start on your online syllabus, which you linked right into your sandbox. In Module 2, you focused on building your course roadmap. As an outcome of that module, you developed the framework for 2 modules of your online course. As we head into to Module 3, you are going to now jump into an analysis of active learning and assessment. And as you come out of Module 3, you are going to start to conceptualize one assignment that is going to link back to one of those modules that you designed the framework for last week. And ultimately, in Module 4, your outcome will be to design one assessment with a rubric. Now, if we take a little bit of a more broad look at some of the ideas and concepts you have been getting your arms around in this class, you learned about backwards course design. So the importance of starting with where it is that you want your students to end. So of course, that would be your course outcomes. And then what we did was investigated the importance of chunking and organizing your content into manageable chunks that we are going to refer to as modules. From there, you focused on 2 of those modules and you began to develop clear, measurable learning objectives for each of those 2 modules that aligned back up with your course level outcomes. Now, what you're going to do with the second portion of our class, or I should say the second half of our class, you're going to focus on assignments. Before you actually get to designing the assignment, it's important to understand how assignments function in online classes. And that will link directly with the content that you will explore in Module 3 about assessments. So if you've never heard the terms formative and summative assessments, these are crucial terms, and I'm really excited for you if it's new to you, because it will be very eye-opening. The assessments in online courses are typically formative in nature, and the assignments themselves function as formative assessments. So they're baked in kind of like chocolate chips inside of a cookie. What's important to understand is as you design that assignment by the end of this course, it will align back up with those module level objectives. And now you're getting a clear picture of what the word alignment means. When you design a course that is in clear alignment, as you're seeing it unfold on the screen here, it creates a transparent experience for your students. They know exactly what you expect of them, and they know exactly what they're going to be held accountable for. It takes the guesswork out of learning, and basically it improves the outcomes. So that's a sneak peek of where you've been and where we're headed. I hope that's been helpful. I'm looking forward to working with you through this module. You're going to get a little bit more familiar with Canvas this week, and you are also going to be exploring lots of different tools and examples of assignments that function as assessments as well. So you have a lot to do this week, and I'll see you online.